like it? See, oh, it's still another wrapper for Nanny and Papa.
Let's see what it says.
It says,
Love and kisses from Nanny and Papa. Oh.
you gotta open it. Here, want me to start it for you?
Need help.
Okay, I started it for you. Now you gotta open it.
Let's take the paper off and see what's inside.
Want some help? Good girl. There you go. What is that? Yeah. What is it?
Wow.
It's a purse.
A purse. So you can put your things inside and carry it with you. Oh my goodness.
Wait, what does it say on the side? Look what it says on the side here. Stella. It says your name on it. You like
It's
the
a
wrap?
Stella purse.
Do you like your purse?
You want me to show you how you use it? See, Stella, you can put your lipstick inside.
Do you like the purse, Bug? You don't like it? You do like it. You're putting it back in there?
That is so nice.
Will you say thank you, Nanny and Papa? Look in the thing and say thank you. You want some help?
You want to open it up again?
Will you say thank you? Look in the camera. Good girl. You want to give Papa and Nanny and Papa a kiss? Okay, look in the camera and give Nanny and Papa a kiss. Good girl. Oh, that's the